I'm here today looking at a possible truck to get to set up as a service truck. So this one's got a fuel tanker on it at the moment. But it's a pretty good truck, and where all that fuel tanker goes, and we're left with just a cab chassis, which would be pretty good. It's Mitsubishi. It's not in too bad a condition. It's been doing sort of local type of fueling events, so it doesn't have a huge amount of kilometres on it for a truck. Anyway, we'll have a bit more of a look. So we'll have a look inside. He did say that the steering column cowling was off it, which it is. We'll have another further look inside. Well, she doesn't look too bad. It's it's fairly dirty, like it's still a working truck. With all the gear for details for fueling and so on. So, but yeah, basics are here. It could be a very nice bit of gear. Well, I won't say very nice, but it's not too bad. So it's air conditioned. As I say, the power steering and electric windows and all of that sort of stuff. And I think it's, oh there, another great big compartment there. Another one there. Would be bad with a racing car or a rally car, a container box thing on the back of it. As you can see, it's actually got good tyres on it. It's always been serviced. All of this has got to come off. Pull apart in here and so on. And we don't need any of the hardware that goes with the fueling. So there's pumps back under here which we get rid of. And this ugly box in the back, that is all have to go, but that would go anyway because they'd need, inside that box is 4 basically fuel houses. So there she is, 10,000 litre tank. So you've got a big steel 10,000 litre fuel tank on it. So take that off and just put a lightweight box on it. It's going to be way different than what it's been used to carting all its life. So it'll be a good project to show the build of the back and get the cab totally cleaned up and so on. And the only bit of rust I can find is this bit here, which I'd pull the screen out of it and I would fix that, give the body a good cut and polish, and put our own KME signing on it. But yeah, the possibilities are pretty good, I reckon. And here we are. The roof even looks pretty good. You wouldn't expect the roof to look bad, would you? Oh. Hasn't been going for weeks. And bang! That's pretty amazing. there she is. We'll see what we can do with it. Not blowing any smoke. It even moves. How good's that? Oh, there you go. So, I'll see what when it's going to come out of service. There's apparently they've got a new truck coming, and that tank's got to be pulled off and refurbed, and go onto the new one. And this one is well, it's a possibility. Anyway, I'll see you later.